Should the cabinet maker watching this do boot camp?
Just do it. There is no question about it.
Before boot camp, what was going wrong?
Time management was a massive thing. And we knew that Jobman was going to help us. And the other one, which I've mentioned to you 100 times before, was communication. Through and through, from the project managers to everyone in the office, to downstairs, to the workshop boys, to the fitters, the communication was not there. So Jobman is definitely going to fix all of that for us.
Before boot camp, were working days stressful?
100%. It did get quite stressful, and for myself personally, it would take me aback. So I would just have to go, whoa, hang on, chill out. Yes.
What was it like to have access to the Cabinetry Collective?
Having the group there, people would ask a question and it would span off so many more questions in your head that you wouldn't even think to ask or anything like that. Just having the extra support there as well, like something that someone might say would help you understand it.
Sometimes training can be intense. Was it worth it?
It was okay in the end, but it was stressful. But very, very worth it, and I'm more than appreciative of your time that you put into helping us, so it's going to be great.
Now that you have completed boot camp, what are you looking forward to?
That's why I'm so looking forward to moving forward in Jobman, because I know it's going to make everyone's life 10 times easier.
What do you say to the joiner who is on the fence about signing up to boot camp?
I'll repeat exactly what I said last time. Just do it. Just do it. There is no question about it that Jobman will certainly push the business forward. And yes, it might be an investment, but it is so worth that investment to help grow the business, to move the business forward for the group settings within the business. Just do it, is what I would say. Just do it.